A bag full of stolen goods, a locked safe, and an excuse. That sounds like a joke. When Flagler County deputies checked on a woman in the Walmart parking lot, they didn't expect to uncover an entire warehouse of stolen items, along with a stash of illegal drugs hidden inside a tiny car. Flagler County, Florida. The sky was clear, and it was just another ordinary shopping day at Walmart. For police officers, a shoplifting call is usually a routine matter, but today, what seemed like a simple incident would soon unravel a complex web of criminal activity, all starting with a woman whose defiant attitude was almost unbelievable. This is Amber McCann, 33 years old. When confronted by officers, instead of fear or denial, she gave a mocking smile.
All right. So where's all your stuff you took out of the store? And
I just put it in a random car that was open.
In a random car that was open?
Yeah.
For what?
What do you mean for what? Because y'all was coming.
Okay, so you just put all the stuff in the car you didn't know?
Yeah, it's a game I was playing.
Okay.
Yeah.
What for?
Just for the hell of it.
Okay. You got any ID on you?
No, I left it in the car.
Which car?
The random car. I don't know what car it was.
What color was it?
Silver.
Silver?
Gray, something like that.
So you left your ID in some random car?
Yeah, my whole bag, all my.
All right, makes sense.
I think it's a Michael Kors. Can you please not stand behind me? Because you're making me nervous.
I was here the whole time.
Where you were?
Yeah, he's in a car.
Well, I'll be damned. What was your question?
What kind of purse did you have?
It's a Michael Kors. Can you go get it for me?
Okay.
What kind of vehicle were you
It's
driving?
like gray or silver or something.
What kind of make, model?
I don't know.
You have no idea what kind of car you were
No,
driving?
because y'all were coming and I just ran up to the car and put it on. It's a game that we play. It's called 21. It's basically like you go and steal all that you can steal and then you get out without getting caught. Well, I did it one other time than this time, but I got caught this time. So now I got to figure out where my purse is and where my merchandise is because now I got to give all the merch back to Walmart.
Well, it's not really a game.
It is a game.
It's theft.
To you, that's theft, though, in the state of Florida.
It's fun, too. It's really fun.
Oh, going to jail is fun. Okay.
Well, I suppose. Am I going to jail?
Well, we'll see how much stuff you took.
It's a lot of
So where's
Okay.
the car at?
It's real
I
fun.
don't know.
She casually admitted to the theft, but described it as a game. She claimed she dumped the stolen items into a random car in the parking lot when she saw police arriving. She had no idea whose car it was, what color, or what make. A strange story, and the cracks in Amber's confident facade began to show as officers kept pressing.
Can you hold that?
On your arm. Broken?
My pinky is, so be careful. Oh, wait a second.
All right, we'll
But
get that. We'll get that.
We'll get,
We'll
stop.
Do you have any leg checkers?
I have
No,
a hobble.
leg shackles.
Hey, I have a hobble. You do?
Actually,
I was just trying to my phone.
We can do flex.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna put me in shackles? Are you serious?
So
Well, you
got
have a cast on your arm.
Exactly. And
Regular
I got
handcuffs.
great things too.
No one said
Okay.
they're going on your feet.
So what are y'all putting shackles on me for?
You got a cast on your arm.
Oh.
It's too big for regular handcuffs.
Oh, okay.
Look at that. Flex cuffs.
So, just gonna stick these back here.
Amber even had a name for her game, 21, a competition to see who could steal the most without getting caught. She admitted she lost this time, but her petty theft game was only the beginning of a shocking discovery.
Oh wow, it just fell out. Look at there.
Officers quickly located the random car Amber had mentioned, and when the rear door opened, they realized this was no ordinary theft. Officers quickly located the random car Amber had mentioned, and when the rear door opened, they realized this was no ordinary theft.
Oh, we got white crystal. We got what's those bubble pipe and a safe.
Let me see.
Two. What? This has white crystal in it. Like small amount, but there's white crystal. Meth.
Another one.
Well, don't break it.
A large safe, a glass pipe commonly used for smoking narcotics, and suspicious white crystals. The petty theft case had now escalated into a full-scale drug investigation. And that wasn't all. Upon closer inspection, a second safe cleverly disguised as a book was discovered. Inside was a handgun. And when the large safe was finally cracked open, the final secret was revealed. Inside were not only methamphetamine, ecstasy, and marijuana, but also a large quantity of pure silver, copper, and platinum bars, along with a gold fossil watch. A valuable collection, but entirely illegal.
What's the date on there, bro? Oh.
So that's hers. I mean, we got weed in the front, we got prop in the back.
This is good though. She can keep.
It's got her name on here. So, I mean, whatever's in the back, I would attribute to her as well.
Well, yeah.
I don't know if we're going to get into that.
Okay. What's in this?
How many pieces?
There's 2 of them. There's a, I don't know if I'll be able to get. Yeah. I shouldn't say that. Very inappropriate of me.
Faced with undeniable evidence, Amber's story about the game of 21 collapsed. She admitted the car belonged to her boyfriend, but still tried to cover for him. Her initial confidence had vanished, replaced by anger and vulgar language directed at the officers.
Suboxone.
It's her Suboxone.
Nothing in there that's like legit.
No.
I just want to know what's in that, but like without pulling the safe out. Like, I don't know if I
We can pull it.
You said step aside.
What's that?
Honey? No. That's good. There's nothing in there.
He doesn't even, hey, he doesn't even have a safe.
Well, there's this trunk, so.
It can't be his. What's all that stuff on the top of the thing?
What?
What's all that stuff?
Stuff that was in the trunk.
That's not his safe. He doesn't even own a safe.
Did you have anything in the back of the car in the trunk?
I have my purse and the shit I stole.
Okay.
But he doesn't even own a.
Okay. There's a giant safe back there.
Alright.
Alright, signal 0 right out the gate.
Matthew Campbell now.
And there's a baggie underneath it.
Got it. And there's marijuana residue.
Yes.
Deputies immediately find a firearm concealed in this, but that's not all.
What is this?
Is that a light safe? That's a
Lighter.
lighter.
Oh,
I'm rolling.
that's
with it.
nice.
Yeah.
Alright, fun box. Oh, we got butter, everybody.
All right, we'll keep it away from your face.
What do you mean?
So you don't
You
sniff
don't
it.
inhale it? Citrulline?
This is one of those boxes that starts down behind the license plate inside. Yep. Kind of. Yep.
Yeah, it's hide a key.
If I was a betting woman, Ritalin, we're gonna have to do B just to verify.
Yeah, I mean they look.
They look like what the bottle is describing.
Marijuana residue.
Yeah. Is that marijuana? We also got white powder. What you know?
Hot powder.
We got white powder. I got some of the.
More powder.
Matthew Campbell doesn't get on it.
Chances are, though, if there's like this,
Intense?
we got more pills. Oh,
Here, we'll flip it up.
yeah.
It's a negative on that. That's
Do you have the swabs in your test kit?
Cocaine?
Yeah.
Yes.
If not, I mean, either way. I don't know if
Needles?
I think we might have some.
Oh,
Who's got a
These are.
or a
30.
screwdriver?
I got.
I got a knife.
These right here, 30, 40 bucks a piece. The flavor. 25, 30 bucks a piece. If they're real.
The game was over. Amber McCann now faces a series of serious charges, including trafficking methamphetamine, drug possession, grand theft, and possession of a controlled substance. From a smug petty thief, Amber had unwittingly revealed herself as a key link in a much larger criminal operation.
So I would be really in trouble with him, but that's the thing.
So what kind of car is it?
I don't remember, because it's a rental.
What color?
We just got the rental car. What
I
color?
thought you said it was someone random.
Yeah, I know. I lied to you.
Her friend rented the
Hang on.
car.
Yeah, he rented the car.
Okay, hold on one
Hang on,
second.
real quick, before we go any further, okay?
She's just gonna
you
read
have
you
the right to
something, okay?
remain silent.
Blah, 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 blah,
Well,
blah.
we still have to read it
Okay,
before
Okay,
we
go
can talk
ahead.
to you.
It's like music to my ears.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and her present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide anytime to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand these rights as I have explained them to you?
Yeah.
Okay. You said yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, anyway, that's done. Like I was saying, yeah, that's my boyfriend's car. He rented the car, and he was shopping, and I had found all this shit that I wanted because he played 21, and my boyfriend's older than me, so he doesn't play that. And I started playing the game. This is my first time playing the game, and I put this in the car, and I saw you guys coming, so I walked off. My boyfriend knows nothing about it. I don't even know where the fuck he's at.
So he's here with you now?
Yeah. If I could call him, can I call him?
So I just want to ask you a quick question, okay? And you can decide how to answer it however you want, okay? There's a decent amount of crystal meth and other narcotics in the car, okay?
I told
Yeah.
the other officer I don't know anything about it.
Okay. Well, I was just giving you, we do have narcotics detectives that can talk to you. You might be able to better your situation with the state. If you want to talk to them,
I don't know
can call
anything
one
about it.
out. Okay. Thank you.
In Florida, drug trafficking is a first-degree felony, punishable by 3 to 30 years in prison, fines up to $250,000, and a permanent criminal record. If the case involves dangerous substances like methamphetamine or fentanyl, the law mandates a minimum prison sentence with no reductions and no bail.